Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app totally for free anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. On to the next topic. Uber and Lyft cutting rates. What do you think about that, Izzy?
I think, well, so unfortunately, Uber and Lyft are like monopolies. So even if they cut rates, like people are still going to drive for them.
Yeah.
But like, I don't know. I don't understand why they're doing that. Like, I feel like they have enough room in their budget to not cut rates.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Uber and Lyft riders could soon start to see prices come down, analyst says. So this is talking about how Uber and Lyft, basically they're going to start lowering prices of rides because for a while they used to, they're struggling to find drivers, Uber drivers and Lyft drivers. Mm-hmm. And so what they did was they started, introducing the incentives like the gas fuel surcharge, the Lyft fuel surcharge. I can just pull this up.
So then are they going to start paying the drivers less since the rides are going to cost less?
So, well, I don't know where, Lyft is ending its fuel surcharge.
Rideshare Guy.
So this is what they introduced. Lyft, the temporary ride fuel surcharge for gas is gone. So that's one way that they're cutting rates. Another rates is bonuses because they used to have so many drivers, or they had a big need for drivers, and now they have so many drivers they don't need to do big bonuses anymore. So I wanted to pull up this interview really quick that talks about Uber CEO saying that they don't really need to pay like drivers a lot of money now.
And that's been a real tailwind for us. In terms of inflation, I think inflation, it's everywhere. So it's the price of a car, price of gas, thank God, is getting a little bit better, your groceries, etc. We're just a part of that basket in terms of spend. So we're not seeing spend move up or down. We're not seeing any signs of weaknesses one way or the other. If anything, 72% of drivers in the U.S. are saying that one of the considerations of their signing up to drive on Uber was actually inflation. Life is getting more expensive. They need to pay extra for their groceries. So
they're saying because prices of groceries and living went up, they got so many drivers that, they don't need to hire drivers anymore. Like, because in the past they would do these like $1,000 sign-up bonuses,
Yeah.
So they don't really need to do that anymore.
Okay.
Oh gosh, the Zoom call the limit is running out.
Already?
In 10 minutes. Wait, what are we gonna do?
Can we just restart the call, like doing a call and then...
Oh, can you do that?
Continue? Yeah.
Okay, once it ends, I'll have you like send me a new one and then I'll bring you back in.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, with this article, guys, you should definitely read this article. It's saying this: as driver supply ticks up, we do expect it to get better for the overall industry, and you will actually start to see prices come down. Now, wanted to beg this food for thought question, Izzy. So, you remember like a while ago how Uber prices used to only be like they were pretty cheap to get around, and then like lately it's like super expensive.
Yeah.
So I haven't heard of them like passing on the raise in prices to drivers at all. Like, a ride that used to be $20 now costs 60. Like, I don't think drivers are making 3 times as much. So now that's
I don't think so either.
Yeah. So now that prices are coming down, it's just like, even in this interview, he says, oh yeah, we're all just about profitability. And what that means there is like making more money on the rides. So anyways, that's that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's that one. So